Q. Reflect on the following statements. A. ATP and ADP have the same quantity of energy, and the hydrolysis of ATP and ADP is an energy-neutral process. B. For a reaction to occur, it is not necessary for the increment G degree of the reaction to be negative. C. The Calvin cycle and the Krebs cycle both involve the oxidation of glucose to CO2. D. The energy for chemiosmosis in mitochondria exclusively comes from electrical potential energy. Which one of the following combinations shows all false statements? A, B, C, B, C, D, C, A, C, D, A, B, D. Correct answer. C, A, C, D. Why statement A is false? ATP contains high-energy phosphoanhydride bonds. Hydrolysis of ATP to ADP is highly exergonic, releases about -30.5 kJ per mole of free energy under standard conditions. It is not an energy-neutral process. Why statement C is false? The Krebs cycle does involve the oxidation of acetyl-CoA, derived from glucose, to CO2. However, the Calvin cycle does the exact opposite. It is involved in carbon fixation, meaning it reduces CO2 to manufacture carbohydrates, sugars. Why statement D is false? The energy for chemiosmosis, the proton motive force, comes from a proton gradient, which has two distinct components. An electrical potential component, increment psi, the charge difference, and a chemical potential component, increment pH, the concentration difference of H+ ions. It does not come exclusively from electrical potential. Why statement B is true? For a chemical reaction to occur spontaneously inside a cell, it is the actual free energy change, G, that must be negative, not the standard free energy change, increment G degree. Increment G equals increment G degree plus RT/ln(Q). Cells can easily force a reaction with a positive increment G degree to proceed forward by altering the ratio of products to reactants, Q, or by keeping product concentrations extremely low through metabolic consumption.